Spouse are sitting at the kitchen table, 2 cups of coffee going cold, a single page from Social Security between you. That is how it feels. Because that one quiet decision about timing secretly decides whether the person who outlives you. Careful people, doing what feels responsible, make one quiet decision about timing. And that single decision, made years before anyone gets sick, becomes the ceiling on a surviving spouse's income. It only reveals itself on the worst day of someone's life, when one half of a couple calls Social Security after a funeral and learns they become one person, living alone, surviving on whatever the bigger check was. Is not a windfall. All she is after is the larger of the 2 checks that kept her ground up, one clear idea at a time, because that foundation is the quiet starting money for the rest of your life.